we suffered a fire. Every room was touched by smoke. The fire department was amazed at how dense the smoke was when they came in. We had people out here the very next day. This house had been in our family since 1889, and it gave us an opportunity to revision it for the next century. The way they listened made me feel like we were on the same page, and I think that is key. The experience of coming in and having everything done is surreal. It feels like the old home brought to life in a new way. I would definitely recommend Menold. They were very flexible. Really tried to put our desires first. Our experience has been all good. We just owe a debt of gratitude.